Stop guessing and start knowing exactly what your website visitors are doing with this super simple guide to installing Google Tag Manager on your hosting or website. First things first, head over to tagmanagergoogle.com and if you don't already have one, create a Google Tag Manager account. Click the Create Account button and fill in the necessary information, your account name, country, and select your target platform as web. Then click the Create button and accept the terms of service. Next, you'll be creating a container for your hosting or website. Give it a descriptive name, like your website's name, and select Web as your target platform. Click Create to move forward. Google Tag Manager will then generate 2 pieces of code. These snippets need to be placed into your hosting or website. Now, let's hop on over to your hosting or website's dashboard and locate the website you want to manage. Navigate to the website settings associated with your website. You might find this under Edit Website, File Manager, or a similar option. Find the header or custom code section within your hosting or dashboard or website editor. This is where you'll paste the first Google Tag Manager code snippet, the one that goes in the head section of your website, placing code as high in the head of the page as possible. Then look for any option where you can paste the second Google Tag Manager code snippet. This time, paste the second code snippet, the one for the BODY greater than section where requested. Once you've pasted both code snippets, save your changes and publish your website if possible. Then, back in Google Tag Manager, submit and publish your new setup. Allow some time for the changes to take effect and start tracking those user actions.